What's going on, YouTube? It's Hoodie Puma back with some more from the rain. Tonight we're starting hour 4. Tragically, hour 3 was a pain. I could not beat it for the love of me because I was being idiotic, but I figured it out. So hopefully hour 4 is a breeze, and yeah, let's just try to beat this shit. So I'm gonna get right into it. So last time, the dude rang us on the phone. Okay. So we're just right into it. 7, green 7. We're just right into it. Green 7, blue 8. Lightning strike, nice. Oh shit, I always do that, bro. Blue 8. Red 1, okay. Green 7, blue 8, red 1. I heard him messing with something over here. Yep, told you. Tough. Shit, oh, here's the last one. Yellow 6. Alright, that's clear. Okay, and it was blue 8. So it was green 7. Took the long way. I like the scenic route, chat. You know me. Mr. Scenic. What? What? Chat! What the hell? I'm sleepyhead today? No, no good, cuzzo. Red 1. What was this? 6? Chat, I'm so good. It's not even funny. Like, I guess that Johnson's 6. I don't even remember. Alright. He's in that vent. You know what I'm saying, chat? Another phone call from Mr. Busty Butt. And we got Mr. Knocky Knocky. All up on the speaker knockers. Okay, as much as I want to answer that phone and deal with Captain Balls, I should have answered it. Shit, chat. Okay. Okay, hey. No, I'm gonna die here. Yeah. Because Mr. Vent Guy is gonna come in here and shit all over my face. Damn. No! I'm dead. I have to be. There's no way. Fudge. Alright, hold on. Damn, I'm trash. A little rusty. Yep. Shit! Alright. Come on, son. Green 3. That's fine. Green 3. Oh, I forgot there was a vent in the corner. Blue 4. Green 3, blue 4. Green 3, blue 4. Green 3, blue 4. Green 3, blue 4. Yellow 5. Green 3, blue 4. Yellow 5. Damn, that was an aggressive ass knock. And he's at the dog. Green 3, blue 4. Damn. Tough. Oh, right in the break room. Nice. Green 3. Shit. Stop sleeping, gang. Green 3. Okay, we good. I'm on the move. Dude, they get active. Okay, okay, we're hitting the phone. Where? Where? Door? Please be door. Okay, hey. Fuck! Oh, I'm rusty. They call me Al Dusty. You stink. You're musty. I'm shooting from 3-point range. They call me... They call me Curry. I'm trying to escape this nightmare. The military better hurry. These monsters are lame. They better scurry. I'm spitting bars, building a house. These monsters are bitches. Call them a mouse. I'm not even remembering the code. Like I got no morals. He's from the South.
I'm not a rapper. It's super hot. I'm not a rapper.
Red 2. Yellow was 6. And I missed what the hell I got on the rest of them. Yellow was 6. I'm assuming the kitchen one was blue was 7. 6, 7. Red 2. Al Dusty's trying to break into the crib already. So I think the wooden ones are the doors. Shit! Stop, bro. Damn. 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 Shit! Yo, I'm trash. Where's this last lever? I'm supposed to be the king. Oh, this is a new spot. Yellow 2. Okay, okay, we good. Give a good shake to wake up, you know what I'm saying? As soon as we activate this, what's the name is gonna be jumping. So we should, before we activate that, finish this one off. Because otherwise it's gonna screw us up. No, no! Stop! I'm real sleepy. Monster's trying to break into my crib. That's creepy. I need to oil up this door. It's squeaky. And my floor is made out of wood. They creaky. Trash. Come on, son. You never see somebody freestyle and lock away a monster like that. Come on. I'm MLG for real. Alright, that's going. Now we gotta find Captain Among Us. The phone should ring. I missed events. Breathy guy. Hello. Okay. Somebody has some hot ass breath. Bathroom. Bathroom. Yeah, get the hell out of here. Window. But not this one. Kitchen. Left kitchen. How'd I know? Okay. T, B, F, A, Y, V. No, no. Z, Y, T, R, V. Gotta listen for Among Us sauce to move. Not that one. That's him. I'm 1,000,000% that's him. Okay, tough, tough, tough. No, bro. Stop. Yo, we need window. Nope. This one should be locked up. Nope. Deep. I just close this one. There we go. Okay. Already started off on a bad start. Nice. Okay, and Mr. Among Us sauce is moving. Yeah. Door. That's 1,000,000% the dough. Okay, I might have been hearing things. I don't know if shaking while I'm doing it helps, but I'm just gonna try and just hope. Yup, we on him. Oh yeah, we on his ass, boy. Shit. How hard do I gotta shake? Bro is deadass Sleepy Joe. Alright, Captain Among Us is on the move. Can't be the same one. Oh, yeah. Nope. Nope. Get that finger out of the window. Thank you. Thank you. Nope. Let's cut that shit off. Yeah, back up. I'm closing this shit. Dumbass. Try that shit. They don't know. Look, the first couple runs were rough, but we are locked. I'm so locked. Oh, shit scared me. I'm so locked in there yelling, "Free me!" Closed, closed. Door, did I finish? Yes. Power lock here is done. This one's done. This one's done. This door. Done. This window. Yeah, dumbass. Look at you! Look at you! Look at you! Look at you.
I can't rest with boy. Hello, resident. This is an automated phone call from the United States government. We are calling to ensure you troops from the military.
Oh, let's go. The troops are coming. My family's getting saved. Oh God, I trust the government. Okay, let's go sit next to this generator. Military's coming. They're coming to save us. Yellow 5. Why is everything red? Whoa. Whoa. Excuse me? What the f- am I being fucking possessed? Yo, bro? Oh, he's moving right now. Okay. Okay. Alright. Nah, I'm good with that. I'm good with that. I don't know. I know it's an 8. Okay, yeah. Yeah, let's get it cracking. Alright, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think I'm already dead. But, it's fine. It's fine, right? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm definitely already dead. Yeah, it's fine. Hey, hey. It's fine. Hey, look. Did you see him crawling down that fucking vent? Alright, we're good. Right back to it, baby. I'm fucking locked. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, everything's red. I'm becoming possessed. All good news. All good news. All good stuff. Green 6. Green 6. I'm gonna put this in right now. 6. Green 6. Yeah. Yep. I could not agree more with him. I could not agree more. Red 2. Okay. Okay. Red 2. Nice. Red 2. I couldn't agree more, honestly. Shit. This is still a thing again? Yeah, dummy. 7. Red 2. 7. Yellow 5. Damn, I don't like the red lights. Well, he's aggressively knocking today. And he's kicked out the crib. We're good. We're good. Yo, where's Mr. I get what I want? Where we at with him? Okay, 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 okay. Okay! Okay, you're really anxious to get in this crib. And I get that. And I understand. I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. It's raining outside. You don't want to be out there. That's cool. Hey, that's cool. But I cannot let you get in this party. Please. Okay. Alright, awesome. Let's check these vents, John. Have the code in place. Just gotta click enter on it. Once I... Stop! Stop! Dummy. Okay. Let's go click enter on the code. Hopefully I can stay awake. The red dusk is really tripping me out. So chat, start putting your theories. Yeah, look at you! Dummy, dummy, dummy! I caught you, I caught you! Bozo. Yep, and your man's got locked too. Ratio, ratio. Oh, let's get this shit cracking. Come on, cuz. When are these troops coming to save me? When is the United States of America military coming to save me? Nope. It's hard because I can't really see his eyes up in that. He never goes in the... No, stop, 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 stop. Stop. He never really goes in the bathroom one. But today he decided to go there. Okay. That's cool. Oh, look at these guests. Look at me. I'm on fire right now. Yeah. Intuition. I'm on you like white on rice, boy. I can. That's one door down. Why is my vision getting fuzzy as I complete the locks? Chat. Every lock I complete, vision gets fuzzy. You guys picking up on this? It's like staticky almost. Is there like another dude I don't know about? Okay. Why is it so staticky? Okay, he's on the move. I think I'd rather just go check for him right now. Because I'm afraid Mr. Knockenstein's gonna spin the block. Like I said. Okay. Gotta catch the vent. I'll check these two. I gotta catch the vent. Gotta catch the vent. Come on, come on, come on. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god. No, no, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. 100,000,000%, I'm dead. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my fuck. By the skin of my teeth. You saw, chat, you saw him crawling down that, Johnson? Oh my fuck. Dude, whew! Directive. My God. Oh my God. Skin of my, it's getting so staticky. This is trash. I've completed the whole left side. He's on the move. Ew, why is it so staticky? I can barely see a thing. Is that even him up there? I don't even know. Can't be. Gotta be over here. Yeah. Dude, this is ridiculous. You see the vision is trash. No, please. Okay, I'm coming. What? What am I hearing? Excuse me? What are these demonic groans? What? What am I hearing? I don't... Okay. I'd rather go look for him. Yo, bro, this is crazy or what? That's him. 100 million. Stop. That's him 100 million% up there. If I'm wrong about that, chat, I'm gonna get so tight. Everything's getting like grayscale. Okay. Ew. Yo. Bro. I don't like demonic humming, please. I'm okay. I'm good off that. No. I'm good off that, cuzzo. I'm good off that. We good. We don't need this around here. We are holy. Stop, bro. This shit's actually evil as fuck. What is going on? Yo, son! Back up! No, stop. No, that's not it. Fuck, I swear, bro. I swear to God, if I lose right here, I'm gonna get so tight. I can't see a thing. No. Ah! Oh my fuck. No. Bro, wake up! Stop. Actually, there's gotta be one left. Where? Did I finish this one? No. Oh my God, he's knocking sign. Bro. Everything's so grainy. Yo, bro. Chat, I cannot see a thing. Alright. No, I gotta go look. I gotta go find him. That's it. Okay, we're good. We're good. Come on. No. Stop. Bro. Please.
This is a truth.
What the
United
fuck?
States military, and we are ready to evacuate you from the premise. Please come and unlock and open your front door. Hurry.
Where's my front door, chat? Was this the first door I walked in? Yeah, it had to be. No. Ah! Oh my fuck, chat. A change has been made to hour 4. Okay. That scared the fuck out of me. Oh my God. Okay. That was hard as shit. The grayscale. That was first try too. Oh. But that is all the time I have for hours 4 and 5. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna get the good ending. I knew I shouldn't have opened the door. I didn't even say anything, but I just wanted to know what was behind it. I just wanted to be done. The grayscale was fucking me bad. Let's see what the hours are. Okay, so we could just go back to hour 5. That's hard. Alright, well, that is all the time I have for this. I'm definitely gonna run it back. So I appreciate y'all watching, and I will catch you boys in the next video.